The open road awaits as we step into the shoes of a fleet manager. Why does the smooth delivery of goods matter? And why do efficient transportation networks matter? Well, because they are the arteries of our world. And at the heart of these networks are fleet managers. These are the often unsung heroes who keep the wheels of commerce turning. They ensure goods arrive on time and within budget. They manage intricate logistics and lead teams of drivers. Imagine a fleet of delivery trucks navigating a bustling city, or a fleet of cargo ships traversing the open ocean. These complex operations require a steady hand at the helm, someone who can orchestrate every movement. This is where a fleet manager steps in. Their role is a dynamic mix of logistics, leadership, and problem solving. But what does it really take to be a fleet manager? What are the day to day realities of this demanding yet rewarding profession? In this guide, we'll take you behind the scenes. We'll explore the multifaceted world of fleet management, breaking down the key responsibilities, essential skills, and potential career paths. Get ready to discover why this role is not just about managing vehicles. It's about managing movement, ensuring efficiency, and driving success in a fast paced global economy. Steering the ship as a fleet manager comes with responsibilities as diverse as the vehicles they manage. Their primary focus to ensure the smooth operation of their fleet. This includes everything from vehicle acquisition and maintenance to driver management and regulatory compliance. One key task is vehicle acquisition. Fleet managers determine the type and number of vehicles needed. They negotiate purchase or lease agreements. They also manage vehicle disposal, ensuring the fleet remains up to date and cost effective. Next comes the critical aspect of vehicle maintenance. Fleet managers create and oversee preventative maintenance schedules. They manage repairs and breakdowns, minimizing downtime. They also track fuel consumption and explore ways to improve fuel efficiency. Beyond the vehicles themselves, fleet managers are responsible for driver management. They recruit, train, and oversee a team of drivers. They monitor driver performance, ensuring adherence to safety regulations and company policies. They also address driver concerns and foster a positive work environment. Becoming a successful fleet manager requires a specific set of skills. These skills blend technical know how with strong interpersonal abilities. Analytical thinking is key. Fleet managers analyze data, track metrics, and identify trends to optimize fleet performance. Communication skills are equally crucial. Fleet managers communicate effectively with various stakeholders. This includes drivers, mechanics, suppliers, and upper management. They clearly convey information, address concerns, and build strong working relationships. Problem solving is another essential skill. Fleet managers face unexpected challenges daily. These might include vehicle breakdowns, delivery delays, or driver shortages. They must think on their feet, develop solutions, and minimize disruptions. Technological proficiency is increasingly important in today's digital age. Fleet managers utilize specialized software and GPS systems. They track vehicles, monitor driver behavior, and generate reports. They must stay updated on technological advancements to enhance fleet efficiency. The role of a fleet manager is not without its challenges. It's a demanding job that requires working under pressure. Meeting tight deadlines and managing unexpected crises are part of daily life. Fuel price volatility is a constant concern. Fleet managers need to find ways to mitigate the impact of fluctuating fuel costs on their budget. This may involve negotiating fuel prices or implementing fuel saving measures. Another challenge is attracting and retaining qualified drivers. The transportation industry often faces driver shortages. Fleet managers must create attractive work environments and offer competitive compensation packages to retain skilled drivers. Despite the challenges, the role of a fleet manager is incredibly rewarding. It offers a sense of accomplishment in knowing you're playing a vital role in keeping the world moving. Successfully managing a fleet and optimizing its performance brings a unique sense of satisfaction. The career path in fleet management is dynamic and offers growth opportunities. Entry level positions often involve assisting senior fleet managers. With experience, one can progress to supervisory roles and eventually to fleet manager positions. The demand for skilled fleet managers is expected to remain strong. As businesses continue to rely heavily on transportation and logistics, the need for efficient fleet operations will only grow. Furthermore, the field of fleet management is constantly evolving with technological advancements. Electric vehicles, autonomous driving technology, and sophisticated tracking systems are transforming the industry. This presents exciting opportunities for those interested in embracing innovation and shaping the future of transportation. If you are drawn to a career that combines logistical challenges with leadership opportunities, fleet management might be the perfect fit for you. Explore the field further, research available positions, and embark on a rewarding journey in the dynamic world of fleet management.